you like pancakes? Do you like cake? Well, today we're making this amazing, fluffy, fast stovetop pancake cake. Once you try this, you'll be thinking, why am I even making regular cakes when I could make something so simple and so comforting? Okay, so we're essentially gonna make a pancake/cake batter. It's gonna be so good. If you love pancakes, this is gonna be the epitome of pancakes. You're gonna mix the flour with the leavening agents and sugar. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients basically and set those to the side and separately combine the wet ingredients. Can't get any more simple than that. There's really no excuse for you to not make this unless you don't like pancakes or cakes, and well, that's an issue. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Combine the two together and the batter is basically done. Mix the batter well. We don't want any lumps, but at the same time, you don't want to overmix your batter, okay? So just mix it until everything is combined. We're gonna move over to the stove. Yes, we're gonna cook this baby like a giant pancake. You want to use a heavy bottom, non-stick and greased 8-inch pan. I will leave everything in the description box as usual. You want to use a small burner on low flame. Cover your cake with a lid, and you're gonna cook this baby for about 12 to 13 minutes. Every stove is different, so do not walk away, okay? You wanna babysit this cake for about 12 to 13 minutes. My cake took exactly 12 minutes to cook. Once it's cooked, you're gonna turn off your stove and let it sit covered, with the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes, I wanna say. The residual heat of the pan will just ensure you that the cake is fully cooked through. You're then gonna release your cake from the sides of the pan. Look how fluffy this cake is. Now you wanna serve this immediately. This cake is best served warm. Nobody wants a cold pancake cake, okay, please. The top will be beautifully caramelized and delicious. You're gonna top this with some butter. Now, I do need a thumbnail, so I'm not going to be spreading that butter, but obviously spread that butter, people, and drench this in maple syrup. There's no other way to eat pancakes or a pancake cake. You can add some whipped cream if you want or fresh strawberries, but I'm just going to go full on pancake today. This is such a simple but delicious cake. I would have pancakes over cake any day unless you can have both, okay? This combines both worlds. This caramelized pancake top adds so much flavor, and this slice will just melt in your mouth. It's fluffy and comforting. If you love buttery pancakes with syrup, you gotta make this. It's amazing.